But what I was trying to get at, Anurag, is like the way Mr. Bengal created an ecosystem of actors. You know, pick them up from FTI. You know,
I did it for my own.
You did the same thing, didn't you?
I didn't do it thinking I'm creating an ecosystem. I never had money to make movies. So I developed my own way of making a movie, which I started with Black Fridays, shooting on the street in full public view. I had no other option. I had to hide the camera and shoot everywhere. Like when I was shooting Black Friday, I had to create Zaveri Bazaar. I had no money, so I had to shoot in Zaveri Bazaar. I have to create all these locations. I had to shoot in there.
Which was produced by Midday, by the way.
Which is produced by
Yes, yes.
And,
So it's a great coincidence.
which was a big advantage because I learnt it because Midday got us these badges because it was Midday, and we told everyone we are from Midday and we are doing a documentary. So in that whole process of shooting Black Friday, I learned how to shoot on the streets of Bombay without people ever finding out. So I made a language. The primary requirement for that language, I need to work with people who are not recognized.
Right.
So my primary need was that. So I went looking for actors who were not known and were good actors. So not known actors can only sustain themselves. One, they need to have screen presence and they have to be very good. So I spent a lot of time casting. So I created casting systems like Gautam or Mukesh Jha or everybody. So I created a system where we find very strong actors.
So they can go out there and source talent.
And train them beforehand. So I can make them perform on the street without attracting attention and being part of it. Like how in Mukha was in a traffic jam, I'm shouting and seen. And nobody knows where the camera is. People think that's actually something happening.
Right.
So I developed my own technique of making a movie without money. And that
But what
I
about,
needed.
you know, what about Gangs of Wasseypur? for
Same,
instance?
I shot the same way.
That was absolutely
I shot the same way.
extraordinary,
Plus, what
actually.
happened was, I took every favor I could possible because I went in where I grew up, and it was the primary knowledge of I know this ghost town exists. Houses are there. Shooting in the house that my brother was born in, growing up in, shooting in my town, pulling in all the favors, going to a coal mine, and knowing that the mountain is going to blow up. So waiting for the mountain to blow up. So then we can just get the shot. So we're not paying for the mountain to blow up. So we just went. So that has been the way I shoot. I just shoot like and finding abandoned houses, building. I just like finished shoot yesterday. I found a whole society that's going into redevelopment. So before it goes into redevelopment, we go and occupy that society. We inhabit every house and we make it look like a society. And it costs less money.
Right.
And we don't have to create sets. So that's how I've been shooting.
Right.
So I need to work with actors who are not known.
No, but where you shot Gangs of Wasseypur, you were shooting in a town in UP Bihar area.
Yeah.
And there, of course, it's so difficult to keep the crowds away.
Yeah, but that's also because we used to do it very discreetly. Like I have never used to bring in vanity vans. Our actors will be staying somewhere. They'll come in only who's required for the shots. So take the camera first. Camera is set up. There's no crowd. There's hardly crew is always out. Actors come in. I very quietly would talk to them and tell them that this is what you're doing here. And we'd shoot like that. In a traffic jam, we shot a chase with hidden cameras. So and it took us 9 days to shoot 1 hour, 2 hours each. Like Wasseypur actually can be used as a proof of sand mining mafia and coal mining mafia because they're real shots with real people stealing sand and coal. Which is shot like a documentary filmmaker. So that film is a proof. That's an evidence. So I know that we used to get picked up and put into my assistants and people used to get put up in the lockup because we wanted to create a sequence of the chase and the firing at the street. And we obviously gave them fake guns, but it made sound.
Right.
So they're actually firing and crowd was actually dispersing. So I used to do things like that.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.